Hello, my name is Macrenan Vergara Tapon. The course that I've been choosing is BSP or Bachelor in Science Pharmacy. Why did I choose this course? Because a lot of pharmacies or a lot of job opportunities is needed there, outside and inside the Philippines institutes and anything.
We will be introduced with our dean of the School of Allied Health, College of Allied Health, no? And there are a lot of exciting courses will come in, naman, because this institution later on will be for us to, to hear na, ako lang ikot sa inyo na this will be a bastion of a lot of allied health, meaning this institution will transform into a lot of allied health.
Hi everyone, my name is Rachel May Ampol, college student in Holy Child, Surala, South Cotabato. I am a Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management student. So, I choose BSE because this is the one that I want to pursue since I was in my grade school. Gusto ko na talagang maging HR.
Ako nga pala si Jacob Galino from Northern Samar. Ang kursong tinawag ko, sir, ay Criminology para makatulong sa mga tungkulin, talipunan at magampanan ng mga gawain sa bilang pulis.
I am Mark Angelo Duran. I am first year po. Course po is BSIT po, and the expectation ko is probably sana maging matino yung buhay ko ngayon sa first year. Thank you po.
My name is Athena Jaila Chicoy po, and my course po is PTVTED. Kaya ko po yung kinuha kasi I think kaya ko po yung ma-excel.
Okay, ano naman yung nilook forward mo for this school year 2025-2026? Hoping na sana ba ganito ganyan or?
Hoping na madaming maging kaibigan tapos madaming malapit.
In academic stuff, ano yung na-envision mo na mga pwede nyong ma-learn na mga bagay?
Ma-enhance yung mga cooking skill tapos yung mga techniques.
Okay, sige. Thank you!